what's up guys? Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's episode, mag-unbox tayo ng isang Hisense Videography flashlight for underwater. So, try natin tong klaseng flashlight na to kung hindi ba masilaw yung kuha natin sa ating camera. Galing pa to China guys. Balot na balot. This is the box guys. Hisense Optimum. So, ito yung laman guys. Ayan. May ito, pang handle yata to. Handlebar. Okay, guys. Then, strap. Tapos may extra na dalawang o-ring sa loob. Then, ito na yung flashlight guys. Hisense. Kaso walang manual. Ito yung laman ng kanyang bulb. Open natin yung loob guys. Paano ba to? Ito. Hisense DR01. Tapos may spacer. Ito. Walang battery kasi may kamahalan pag may battery. May extra battery naman ako kaya yun na lang gagamitin ko guys. So try natin. So try natin yung battery ko guys na U-part. Spacer. Lagyan natin dito. Tapos yan. Guys, maliwanag. Ito yung kuha niya guys. Yan. Tapos yung dalawang mode. Ito. May color red. Tapos blue. Tapos may blinker or strobe. Ayan, ito pala yung ilaw niya during night time guys. Yan. Sobrang liwanag. Parang flood type yung ilaw niya guys. Yung first na ilaw at second na light. Ayun guys. Liwanag. Yung red, blue, and yung strobe type. Ganyan guys. Yung liwanag. Kita sa unahan. So, ayun na yung specs niya guys. Yung pwede pala sa 26650 na size na battery at 16650 na battery. So, ayan, the Hi-C DR01 diving flashlight for video photography underwater. So, ganda na naman guys, and abangan na lang natin yung kuha nito sa underwater adventure natin guys during night dive. So yan, that's it for this episode. At kung bago ka this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated ka naman sa mga videos ko. Right, abangan natin yung kuha nito. Kahit mamurahin lang yung natin action cam, kung maganda ba ang kuha ng diving flashlight ito. So, ayan, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye!